Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell photos on Gumroad. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Gumroad, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, you just need to go to Gumroad website, gumroad.com, and sign up for an account. And if you already have an account, you can just sign in yourself and right here on the dashboard. And if you want to add the products on Gumroad, you just need to go to this products tab right here on the left side, and all of the products that you have made will be listed right down here. So you can see right here. And if you want to create a new product, just click this one, new product. And as you can see, it will prompt you to to uh, choose the type of products that you want to add, and also the name of the product and also the price. And you can change the also the currency the way you want. And if you want, you can just click digital product, since you want to sell photos, so it's a digital product, of course. So make sure that you choose this one, and add the name of your product. For example, let's name this photo background for sake of the tutorial only. And right here, I'm just going to input the price, sample $100, like that. And after you're done with this, just click next to customize, and you will be redirected to this page where you will add the description of for your product, and also the URL, and also the cover and the thumbnail and other information. So let's go each of them. So let's add the description. So for example, I'm just going to show you, going to add a description. Video game background HD 4K HD. So yeah, right here. I'm not going to change the URL, but I will have to add the cover. And if you want, you can make a cover right on the Canva. You can use Canva or whatever platform you like. So yeah, I guess if you want to create a good cover for your product, make sure that it's very good, so that it will be catchy for the customers, and you can use Canva for that. And for me, I'm just going to add a random picture. So as you can see, after I click that, the cover page or the preview will be show right on the right side. And as you can see, this will be the look of the how do you call this, the payment gateway window. This is how it will look. As you can see, the name of the product, and also the picture or the photo that your customers will receive if they purchase the product, the photo itself. And if you want, you can add a thumbnail. So I'm just going to leave the thumbnail blank. So I'm just going to use the cover for now. So the product info. So you can add a call to action for the customers. I want this, buy this, or pay. So for me, I'm just going to click buy this. And also the summary. You can also add a summary, for example, a text that will be shown to the customers, saying that what will be they getting if they purchase the product. So for example, I'm just going to add this text. So you will get this 4K HD video game uh, background. Yes, right here. And if you want, you can add the additional details. So for example, the attribute. So if your photo have a for example, additional details that you want to show to your customers, you can add this right here, and also the value. And yes, that's it. So for integration, also you can turn on this, invite your customers to your Gumroad community chat. This one, invite your customers to a circle community. And yeah, and also invite your customers to a Discord server. So if you want, you just need to connect your Discord server if you're also selling your products to your Discord channel. And yeah, right here I can also modify the pricing, and if you want, you can just allow these options right here. Allow customers to pay what they want, or allow customers to pay in installment. And yes, that's it. And for the versions, as I said earlier, if you have another version of this uh you know, photo, or for example this one, you can just, you know, offer, but you can just add a version of this product right here. Just click add version, and you know, input all the details right here. So yeah, and for the settings, also you can turn on these options: limit product sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, uh, publicly show the number of sales to on your product page, mark product as e-publication for VAT, and specify a refund policy for this product. And also, if you want to create a custom domain for this product, you can do so. But as you can see, this would be the final look of my product section. And if my customers go to my Gumroad shop and see my product, this is how it would look. And after you're done with this, I'm just going to click save and continue. And for the content, I just need to upload the files and click the digital file that I will sell. And of course, it is the picture. So I'm just going to find the picture again, or the image, this one. So I just need to wait until this picture is uploaded. And yes, after done, and just click publish and continue. And that's it. So if you want, you can just copy the product URL and send it to your for example your shop, whatever. If you want to use for example Shopify, whatever, like that, Wix website, or your online store, you can just copy the product URL and paste it right here. And my customers, or if your customers opens the link, so if my customers opens the link, this would be the look of my uh, product. As you can see right here, video game, photo background. And if you want to buy this, they just need to click this one, and also the price will be shown, and they can choose the quantity, and the sales also will be shown, and also the size and resolution. Yes, that's it. That's how you can sell photos on Gumroad. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.